Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am Denny, and this is my husband Carlos.
How you doing?
So we are in box week, and last month I totally forgot to film the Birch Box Man. So today we have Carlos's November Birch Box Man. He's gonna go ahead and show you everything that he got in his Birch Box Man box.
Subscription to Birch Box Man is usually $10, but for my subscription, I usually get a $20 subscription, and it comes with a lifestyle item. So my lifestyle item for this box is these coasters, and they're shaped like puzzle pieces.
So these are made by Ben Kai, and I think these are super cute for like a bachelor pad, but not for like regular homes. So if he had his own little area for guy stuff, I think these coasters would be super cool.
My first item is this cologne named Ether, and I tried it out and it smells a little good.
A little good. It smells nice.
It smells nice.
I think it's okay. It's not my favorite.
Full size price for this item is $100.
That's an expensive perfume or cologne.
This item is this Blind Barber Watermint Gin Daily Face Moisturizer. Full size item of this is $22. Next item is Hims. And Hims are like a vitamin for guys, and this one is for sleep. So I guess this is a melatonin, and you take it 30 minutes before you go to sleep. And the full-size item of this is $19. Our next item is this Kiehl's. I don't know if you can see that. Is this Kiehl's Age Defender Eye Repair. And I usually use Kiehl's products, and they're very good. But this full-size item for this will be $30. My last item is this Ursa Major 4-in-1 Essential Face Tonic, and a full-size item of that will be $26.
So that was everything that he got inside of his Birch Box Man. And if you want to get yourself a Birch Box Man, go ahead and look at the link that I'm going to be putting down below. We don't actually get anything from it for you to sign up, so you can do that if you so choose. And they have two different ones, right? One that is $10 and one where you can get the lifestyle item that's $20. So we are also going to be doing a giveaway for guys, and if you're interested in entering that, the link is going to be right below. So go ahead and enter that, and that's going to be running into December. That's when we will choose the winner. Carlos has graciously chosen products from other previous Birch boxes, and he is just placing them away to do this giveaway, and it's completely for the guys on my channel, so go ahead and check that out. If you like this video, go ahead and express that by giving us a big thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Become a member of our Gonz family. And as always, from our house to yours, love ya.